What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy and Geek. So here are the number fifth case for the LG Zone 4. LG Zone 4 number fifth case is from Uyega. It's a honeycomb simple case, come in multiple color for less than 7 bucks. The number 4 is a simple rugged classic case. I mean, can't it get classy than this one? I don't think so. The number 3 is a simple Atom LG4 camouflage wood pattern case. I love it. It also comes with a stand. And number two is a simple, beautiful case with a ring stand and a card slot. And number one, my favorite, which have a tire pattern. Yes, a tire pattern. It can't get better than this one. This one is the absolutely rugged case. So all of the links are in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and bye.